Hello, welcome to another featured application video. Today we are making a dimensional coffee sign on the R400 laser using acrylic, MDF, and sign standoffs. You can download the design file in the description box below. Let's dive right in by loading our satin black acrylic to the laser and focusing on the material. Open up the file in your design software. Select your material in the print settings and print the file to the Rayjet Manager software. Align your design with the red dot pointer and start the laser. Troglass satins are a cast acrylic with a satin surface that gives an elegant and soft feeling and appearance. It is perfect for interior design, signs, and displays. You can learn more about this material by following the QR code. Now it's time to cut out our wood backing. Load the MDF into the laser and focus on the material. Just like the acrylic, select your material in the print settings and print the file to the Rayjet Manager software. Line up the design and start the laser. We will mount the acrylic sign to our MDF with standoffs, increasing the overall appearance and perceived value of this simple sign. We have masking over the MDF for protection, so let's remove that. Next, we'll install the standoffs. The standoffs screw together easily with an Allen wrench. You can find the set that we used by following the QR code. Now it's time to add our coffee sign. Line up the holes for the standoffs and screw the tops into place. It's as easy as that. Now you have a high-quality sign ready for display. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos and leave any questions in the comments below. See you next time!